Do you wanna get -5 मिलेगा तेरे को इतना बकवास आंसर. Dog is man's best friend. Yeah. I'm covering up for you. So hi everyone.
Hi.
Today we have my family members. This is Manju Akka.
Hi. Hello.
And this is Namita.
Hello.
Okay. उनके इंट्रोडक्शंस आपको स्क्रीन पे दिख ही गए रहेंगे. मैं एडिट करने वाली हूँ, सो आपको तो दिख ही जाएगा बाद में. बट टुडे वी आर प्लेइंग गेस द साइकोलॉजी वर्ड. आई एम प्लानिंग ऑन स्टार्टिंग. If you heard that, that was my mama. He is a nuisance in this house. उसका फोटो भी स्क्रीन पे दिख ही जाएगा. Okay. So we are playing this game which is called Guess the Psychology Word. And here my mama is annoying me a lot right now. We are gonna cut this. So we are back. Now, in this game, what we are going to do is I am going to ask both my Majaka and Namita some words from psychology which they don't know because obviously non-psychology student. They are going to guess the meaning of the word. They will tell me what do they mean by the word. कि उनको क्या लगता है? What does the word mean? ठीक है? So let's begin. Who's gonna start? Who will start first?
First bullet.
So we are gonna start with Namita. Namita, what do you think cognitive dissonance is?
What is I know?
We'll give Namita half a minute to
Maybe
think.
somebody who is not understanding the situation.
Okay, close. Close. What was your guess?
Mine was something different.
What was yours? Come on. Huh.
No, I thought it was eye related.
Eye related.
Infection.
Eye infection. Wow. Okay. Cognitive dissonance is when the person is thinking something, but then the person does something ulta. Like the person knows that smoking is injurious to health, but then person continues to smoke. So now there's a cognitive dissonance because he is not matching his thoughts. His thoughts and actions are not matching. That's cognitive dissonance. Disclaimer, this phone is not mine, so I have to ask her to unlock 1,000 times. Okay. Not bad. For the start, उसका ठीक ही था आंसर. अभी next. Yeah, I am gonna give her 0.5 marks. 1 mark each. 1 mark each. Okay, so 0.5 for you. आपका तो भाई eye infection. क्या था वो? Okay. Next word is projection. What do you mean by projection?
Projection. Projection on wall.
Projection on wall, yes. But this is psychology. So what do you think projection is? You're very close.
Projection of psychology.
What do we normally talk in psychology? We talk about
Projection on some what is
The
problem.
problem, okay?
Problem of
Not bad. Close, very close. Projection is when you project your feelings on someone else. मतलब imagine that I have not studied well for exam, but I will project it as the teacher failed to teach me,
Okay.
and that's why I didn't get good marks. Or I hate this girl, and I will go on telling others that that girl hates me. That's why she doesn't talk to me. That's projection. You projecting your feelings on others. Very close. Projection. Action wise, okay. Cool. Now the next question is for Namita. What is conditioning?
Oi,
Conditioning. The only thing I can think right now is in the shower.
She's talking about a hair conditioner.
What else?
Okay.
Maybe
Conditioning,
if I
come on.
tell in your thought,
Ha.
it's like me preparing myself
Huh?
to make the situation right.
Okay, okay. So you're conditioning yourself is what you're trying
Yeah.
to say. Very close. Not bad, man. For someone who's non-psychology, these people are guessing it quite good.
marks.
0.5 उसको 1 मिलेगा
One
क्योंकि
ना?
उसका 0.5 था पहले. So now we'll do this. Whoever knows, raise your hand so that points बांट नहीं जाएंगे. Rapid round के जैसे. Whoever raises first. Conditioning मतलब you are conditioned to something. For example, school में whenever bell rings for recess, students are conditioned to go eat food, है ना? Or whenever you are conditioned to hear your child cry, you will go help the child. You're conditioned to it. Your brain is conditioned is getting used to something because you have done it so many times. ठीक है कि अगर तू फ्रिज खोलेगी तो the first thing हाथ जाएगा इस दूध पे या फिर whatever. That is conditioning. ठीक है? Not bad. Okay? Good. What do you know about Pavlov's dog?
Wow. Dog.
Anyone can raise your hand for a wild guess.
Wild guess. Maybe if I tell,
हाँ
in a general sense,
हाँ
if I have a priv,
हाँ
it is like I want to get that. Like
Okay.
you have it already.
हाँ.
So by this sense, I'll be your friend to get that.
Okay. So that is Pavlov. How are you connecting it to Pavlov's dog?
It's like I'm your friend, yeah.
हाँ.
Indirectly or indirectly, it's mine.
वाह ये लॉजिक से इसको समझा. Pavlov's dog. Do you wanna get -5 मिलेगा तेरे को इतना बकवास आंसर. But ठीक है. Pavlov's dog is nothing but Pavlov's dog who he used for experiment. तो जो conditioning का मैंने आपको बताया पहले, the conditioning term was found out because of this experiment. Pavlov is an experimenter, and Pavlov is a person. Okay, Ivan Pavlov, his name is. He is a experimenter. He experimented on dogs. And conditioning कैसे पता चला कि dogs को जब आप food देते हो ना, food देने से पहले he used to ring a bell. So whenever the bell rang, the food was given to dog. Then he realized कि when the bell rang, even if the food is not given, the dog started salivating on the thought of food. So the dog conditioned the bell to food. So that's how conditioning was found. So that is Pavlov's dog. Okay. तेरा क्या था? Your friend. She went on terms like dog is man's best friend.
Yeah.
I'm covering up for you.
I took it in that way itself. Nothing else.
क्या ही मतलब. Okay, Ivan Pavlov, I am sorry, but yes. Next question. Whoever knows will raise hand. What is impulse control?
Impulse control.
Yeah. What do you understand by impulse control? Whoever knows.
Maybe anger control.
Okay, very close. But in psychology, what do you think impulse control is for?
Like if you're thinking bad about something to take a wrong decision, at that time you keep yourself calm.
Correct. Very basic, very.
So I will get 0.5.
Point
for this.
no, full marks, bro.
Full
Because
marks.
correct. So she's got 2 marks. You got
Yeah,
0.5. Where is this going? I don't know.
Minus point.
तो वो -4 पे चली जाएगी.
Pavlov आके मुझे उठा लेता.
Pavlov is crying in his deathbed. He's already dead. Why did I say deathbed? Okay, impulse control is you controlling your urge to do something or say something which is not socially acceptable. Okay, that's impulse control. Next question, jiska answer she had given before the video started. What is gaslighting? What did you say? Audience wants to love this. क्या था? क्या answer? She said
gas.
lighting the gas is gaslighting.
Nice.
Okay.
Gas.
It's a very Gen Z-ish term. Gaslighting.
And then?
Huh?
Get
You
it.
know,
It's
okay.
like if you will show as if you are something but you're not.
Okay, and whom are you showing this to?
To everybody, it might be a social person or anyone.
Ha.
You project yourself as if I am that good
Ha.
and you're not good inside.
Correct.
Correct. One more marks we got. Gaslighting is where you act manipulative. You manipulate someone by your behavior or by your words. That is not you, but you manipulate them. Ki if I am in a relationship, my boyfriend will. How do you know this? Were you gaslighting?
You don't ask.
She is अभी कच्चे चिट्टे खुलेंगे सबके अभी. Okay, so gaslighting is your partner or someone you know will gaslight you into thinking that you are wrong or you are not doing something nice, something like that. That is gaslighting. Gascolite karna is also gaslighting, guys.
Yeah.
That is gaslighting
Common term of
common term of non-Gen Z people. Gaslighting, gas chalao. Okay. Next is, oh my god. Next is, whoever is going to tell me, catastrophizing.
I don't even know this word. It is existing.
Right, come on.
Tell again.
Catastrophizing.
2,000 years later.
भाई मैं चेक करने वाली हूँ कि मेरा वीडियो ऑन है कि नहीं. है. पता चला इतना टाइम हो गया और वीडियो ऑन नहीं है. Yes, catastrophizing.
Doing something bad to someone.
Okay. Doing something bad. Okay, it's. Do you wanna try? Catastrophizing.
Maybe it is like you are pretending
something.
it is wrong,
Huh?
but it is actually not wrong, or it might be you will be taking it as a wrong content to yourself, as if it is right, but you're taking it wrong.
Wrong. Okay, close हो गया. The thing is, catastrophizing मतलब कि बहुत छोटा कुछ हुआ है आपके जिंदगी में, but you magnifies it. You will magnify it कि बहुत हो गया यार, बहुत ही बड़ा हो गया. किसी मंजका को ऐसे लगा है. Well, if she was a catastrophic person, she would have been like, मैं चल नहीं पा रही, I'm not gonna do anything. But she did. She came from her house to this house for this video. So she's not a catastrophic person, okay? So good. 0.5. So she's on 2.5 and you're on 0.5. आप gaslight करो, जाओ. बढ़िया हो आप. Okay. Next. I think someone might get this. I don't know who, but what do you mean by reinforcement?
Reinforcement. Maybe it's like you starting something good you were doing before.
Okay, so it's like, okay, but no. हर बार ऐसे तुक्के नहीं लगने वाले.
ये माने लगे तो किसके भी लगे.
Intellect is thinking. Yes.
Just think.
तुक्के मारो. इसने कितने तुक्के मारे? Sorry guys, her brain is injured. No, तुक्के भी नहीं आ रहे. Okay, what was it? Reinforcement.
I'm going into the architecture point.
Yes. ChatGPT predicted this. ChatGPT was like construction reinforcement. So no, reinforcement matlab it's the opposite of punishment. You give something to the child when the child does something good. Reinforcement is like you give. Reinforcement is giving. Positive.
Become better.
हाँ. So if the child is doing something good, you will write very good, or you'll give them a star, or you'll give them a chocolate. That is reinforcement. उसमें positive reinforcement, negative reinforcement होता है. कि positive मतलब तुम दे रहे हो, negative मतलब तुम निकाल रहे हो, कुछ अच्छा निकाल रहे हो उसकी जिंदगी से. कि if they like game spirit, then you will take their game spirit away, and you will be like, now you have to study. That's positive reinforcement because I'm telling them to do something good by removing something from them. If I am wrong, ignore.
I'm wrong.
But this is right.
अरे तो
I know the answer. But जो मैंने positive negative का बोला, अगर गलत है, अगर मेरे teachers देख रहे हो, please ignore. That was not me. अच्छी host हूँ, okay? This is right. I know it's right. I know in my gut it's right. Okay. Next question. Whoever guesses it. तो किसी को point नहीं मिला. तो ट्राई किया आपने, तो ठीक है.
But in
What?
different way.
हाँ तुम आप आर्किटेक्ट चले आए हम साइकोलॉजी का ठीक है व्हाट इज डिफेंस मैकेनिज्म
Defense, if someone is doing bad to us, we are defending ourselves.
करेक्ट
By
बट इन साइकोलॉजी व्हाट विल यू राइट डिफेंस का तो मीनिंग पता चल गया आपको बट व्हाट इज डिफेंस मैकेनिज्म
Okay, if I come in terms, you are telling me good.
हाँ
My defense mechanism inside me, it might be my ego.
हाँ
It will defend you.
wow very close so defense mechanism is techniques used by your ego to save yourself from stress anxiety tension ठीक है कि my defense mechanism will help me from all the things that I feel like is wrong कि मेरा डिफेंस मैकेनिज्म जाग जाएगा कि मुझे नहीं करना ये या मुझे नहीं सुनना या फिर इससे नहीं बात करनी मेरे को दैट इज डिफेंस मैकेनिज्म यू आर डिफेंडिंग योर इमोशंस
Emotions.
यू आर डिफेंडिंग योरसेल्फ your ego is helping you to defend yourself that is defense mechanism did you even think about it
डिफेंस के अगर मारेगा कोई भी मारूंगी.
projection जो हमने बात की is also a type of defense mechanism because we are projecting ourselves on others why because मुझे डर है कि सामने वाला बंदा मुझे पसंद नहीं कर रहा तो मैं ऐसे प्रोजेक्ट करूंगी कि वो ही मेरे को पसंद नहीं करता ऐसे नहीं है कि मैं उसको पसंद नहीं करती मैं तो करती हूँ इट्स लाइक दैट इज डिफरेंस गाइस psychology in building okay what do you mean ए तेरे को 0.5 कितने भाई 3 मिल गए इसको
क्या मिलेगा
Winner.
मिल के बता.
हम ब्लिंकिट करेंगे ब्लिंकिट स्पॉन्सर अस